In this video, we're going to be covering how to mint a Celo NFT using the world's premier mobile-first cryptocurrency wallet, Valora. We're featuring the Celostrials in this one. They're a great project, go check them out. So we're on the Mint website, and we can see that we have the option here to connect our wallet since the mint is live. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click connect. Now we have a pop-up screen with different wallet connection options. We're going to click Valora, and then we'll get a QR code. Now we'll take out our cell phone, open up the Valora app, and then we're going to tap on the bottom right to open up our QR code scanner. We'll do a quick scan, and then we'll get a pop-up saying Celostrials wants to connect. We'll hit allow, and then we'll get a notification at the top saying it was successful. We may receive another message with more information regarding the connection. We'll hit allow again. Then we'll be prompted to enter our PIN, and we'll be good to go from there. Now before we actually go ahead and mint, we want to check in the upper right hand corner and make sure our address is connected. Alright, now that we're connected, we're going to go ahead and click mint. For the sake of getting an authentic minting experience, we'll let this play out and not cut it for time so we can see how long this actually takes. While we're waiting, something for us to keep in mind is that we selected 3 here because we want to mint 3 NFTs, and we made sure we have enough Celo in our Valora app before we made this selection. Alright, so there we go, we minted our Celo NFTs. First one has this cool blue bucket hat, the second one has laser eyes, which is classic, and this last one actually has a rare ranking, which is awesome. If we were to check which parts are the rarest, we'd find the captain suit to be the main reason behind this one actually being a rarity, which is kind of a surprise because just look at those purple teeth. If we look at our Valora app on our phone after we do the mint, we'll see that our Celo balance after a little bit of time will update, and we'll have a new Celo balance after having just minted our NFTs. Now we actually minted a 4th Celostrial so that we can see the transaction details after we mint it. So we'll select View Transaction. Now we can see all the information here about our NFT and where it lives on the blockchain. It's really helpful and insightful to see how much information we get about our transaction here. From the transaction hash up at the top, to how many blocks are confirming our transaction, which block number we are, and if we look farther down, we can see the transaction cost and gas fee. Something that's useful about the Celo network is that the gas fees and transaction costs are really small, so that's very nice. If we go over and click Token ID, we'll now get more information and we'll be able to see an image of our NFT up in that top right hand corner. So pretty cool. Alright, the last step is to view our NFTs on a decentralized marketplace and in our wallet. So we're going to connect to Tofu NFT, which is where the Celostrials are listed. We'll notice that Valora is not an option here with the wallet connection options, but that's okay because Wallet Connect supports Valora. We're going to connect to this site just like we did with their Mint site with the Valora app, same process. Once we do that, we can view our NFTs by clicking on our profile image, and there they are. We can also view them in Valora, which is really cool, by going to dApps, then scrolling down and selecting Celo Tracker. It will load Celo Tracker, and there we go. That's how you mint a Celo NFT with Valora.